Hi, it's Dr. Brian McDonough. How are we going to predict whether or not we have a fourth wave? For instance, in Europe, they're having a fourth wave right now. Well, you can look to the past, which is how we learn about coronavirus. We see what happened, and also look into the future. Well, how do you look into the future? Well, you look into the future by looking at Europe because Europe is ahead of us. They've been ahead of us each and every step of the way. Remember when we were denying that COVID was even going to hit us because it was happening in Europe? Well, that was wrong. But if you think about it, we look at where they are. So what's going on over there? Well, they're having a fourth wave and it's very aggressive. And you're thinking, well, wait a minute, people have been vaccinated. Well, it's interesting. You have to look at the percentage of vaccinations. There are two countries doing exceptionally well: Spain, Portugal. Spain's at 80%, Portugal's at 88%. And it appears that if you can hit this 80% vaccination rate, you're going to do a lot better. Now, in the United States, we're starting with children, which is going to help increase those percentages as long as the kids get vaccinated. That'll reduce the spread. But we still have those states where it just hasn't caught on. And for people who are vaccine hesitant, they still can't be convinced that the science justifies the vaccines. So if we can get to 80%, it isn't a prediction, but there's a strong chance it won't be as bad as if we have the lower percentages. And if you look at the United States, almost like Europe with 50 countries, some of our countries are going to do okay, but some sadly won't do well. They haven't been doing well, and they've been leading in deaths.